customer testimonial video is yet another open secret in marketing that can have a major impact on your business. They can be used on TV, on your website, on social media, and anywhere you can put videos. You should be adding at least one customer testimonial video every single month to your content calendar. Customer testimonials are reviews on steroids. They can make a huge impact on your potential customers' buying decisions. They boost credibility, they build trust by demonstrating to people that someone just like me has found value in what you're offering. If done right, they can make an incredibly positive impact on your business. So how do you make a customer video testimonial? Well, if done right is an important qualifier. A great testimonial video should feel genuine and unscripted. It should have real stories from real people, not just blind praise glued to a sales pitch. The video should show someone giving an example of a problem that they had that your product or service solved. Authenticity is important. Not only can scripted and rehearsed testimonials feel inauthentic, but they often have the effect of turning people off. Emotions, pauses, and even the occasional stumble over a word can lend credibility and relatability. People can tell when emotions are genuine and when they're not. So while you should guide your subject with questions or topics, keep in mind that these videos should be people telling a story in their own words. Asking customers to be on video. A few weeks ago, I spoke to Joe Foley, a co-owner of Name Brand Liquidations, about doing a series of short customer testimonials. And he asked me who's gonna wanna be on video talking about us. I responded by posting an open invite on my 570 Drone Facebook page, and he was shocked to find out just how many people volunteered to get in front of the camera and tell everyone how much they loved Name Brand Liquidations. A week later, the videos were complete. Getting people to give a video testimonial might not always be as easy as making a post on social media, but it's not extremely hard either. To get started, you're going to want to identify your most satisfied customers, the people who've already expressed their satisfaction through reviews, surveys, or even direct feedback. They just came and told you how much they love it. They're going to be way more likely to share their story. And when you ask them to get involved, make it personal. Contact them directly. Explain to them why you think their story could be valuable and inspiring to other people. Explain that their testimonial can help people who are facing similar challenges and decisions. You may even want to offer an incentive, a small token of appreciation to sweeten the deal. Maybe a discount on future purchases, an upgrade, or maybe even a gift card to their favorite restaurant. Importantly, have a plan in place. If you're going to ask someone to do a video testimonial, be ready with a time and place for them to actually do it. You can shoot in your business, or shameless plug, put a shameless plug alert graphic here. You could rent a local studio like Diamond City Studios, where you'll have plenty of parking, professional lighting, a lounge, hair and makeup room, and everything you need to make it a great video. If you want to take it even further and get the most professional results, you can hire me to do all the shooting and editing for you right here in the studio. So I can go on and on about this topic, but to keep this video a little shorter, I want you to email me with any questions you have. I answer every single email I get. It's john@diamondcitystudios.com. Your homework for this week: identify 5 people you think will make great candidates for customer video testimonials. Schedule a time and place to shoot the customer testimonials. Optional, you could hire somebody to shoot and edit the videos. Doesn't have to be me, but it should be. Write down a few questions that you would like them to answer. All right, see y'all later. Oh, and make sure you signed up for Times Leader. Subscribe to the Times Leader, get them delivered to your door every week. Every Sunday I have this column coming out, and you don't want to miss any. So have them deliver the paper straight to your door. See y'all.